Okay, let's have a look at what's come today. So, this is the Roland SH01A. It's a modern equivalent of the SH101, something I used to have many years ago, something that I sold. It's broken. I sold it for £300, and I've been looking for a replacement ever since, and as these original SH101s are the best part of £1,500 second hand, clearly, the opportunity to jump in and pick one of these up for a fraction of the cost is it's really nice. So obviously it is smaller. One of the nice features that it has is it has MIDI and CV gate. Has miniature versions of the original sliders and knobs. Layout is basically the same, with a few of the controls moved around. We have touch sensitive sliders as opposed to wheels as in the original. One of the things that's quite nice is that it is powered off of USB and accepts batteries, which go in there, 4 AA's. So there must be some AA's in the box. Here we go. Let's pop those in. As an internal speaker, something the original didn't have. Spent hours listening on headphones because like 18, couldn't afford a set of monitor speakers or an amp. So there we go, and power on. There we go. Right. So that's the main unit. Oh, put the battery cover on. Okay. And this here is the keyboard module. Now I have to admit, such instructions. The keyboard module is practically an essential. I have a MIDI keyboard. That tape that's got to come off. It is. Okay, so we have a port into which this ribbon and cable goes.